Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Bonk update today. So Bonk is in with the manipulations again in the smaller time frame. So you can see that yesterday I did try to take this trade even on the private as well. So you have your first support line here, support line there, support touch here again, support touch right there. This was a clear break to the downside. You came up to retest that area, so you actually made a spinning top, and that is at 3,500. So I actually did try to trade it in here. It was actually pushing down to the target, but you can see how that wick came up very quickly again, and they pumped it a little bit more higher. So we're talking about another, what is this, 7% pump, which is actually pretty huge, right? And then our stop losses were taken, and then it actually came down. So it does seem to me that the plan is still to actually come down to this target of 2670 because of the flag itself. You can see that we have almost moved down like this sideways. We're breaking below, we're coming for the retest, and it's actually time to go a little bit lower. Now other coins like Pepe didn't do this pump. No altcoin did a huge pump like this, no any other altcoin, just the one that I actually took, and that's known as just a bad luck or a bad day on my side as well. So Bonk to me right now personally is looking a little bit bearish. Ethereum on the other hand is also printing in probably a head and shoulders. If you noticed until now, if you didn't, then this is almost like a left shoulder, the head here, the right shoulder, and also you have ascending broadening wedge. So Ethereum in my opinion is looking to drop down to 3320. So from the current prices we might still expect further 9% move down, and that is actually going to make Bonk drop down a little bit. Let's actually even talk about Bitcoin here. So yeah, this is the triangle for Bitcoin that I was looking at previously. So Bitcoin has been consolidating inside this triangle, and it has broken down. So I do think Bitcoin is ready for a move back up to 117,892, get rejected here, and then maybe start to drop a little bit more lower and try to take more stop losses in the future. And guys, for a very long time, it's been almost 3 months, and I've been saying that there is a $91,000 CME gap on Bitcoin, and I want you to be very careful about the CME gap, because at some point, and my best bet is in September, okay? Maybe in September you will likely be looking at Bitcoin at 91K. All right, not financial advices, but you heard it here first. So Bonk is high. It's really high, considering from the fact that you've pumped up, and this is almost how much of a pump is this? So that is like 248%. So if you make it 248% and you decide to make a correction of nearly 34%, that's not a big deal. So after 30% correction is pretty much a very expected scenario. So that's it for this quick update on Bonk. I'm going to see you the next one. Love.